Hello, hello. Hey guys, it's Kimmi, healthylifewithkimmi.com. I hope all is well. For those of you who are new to the challenge and to my channel, we are doing a healthy weight loss challenge. We are on day 6. Can you believe it? Day 6 of the challenge. How are things going for you? For me, they've been going pretty well. I am still on vacation, visiting some friends, like family, and little challenge here and there, but we're going to see what happens. I'm still very much in the challenge. I want to thank everyone who was with us on Sunday. So if you have not registered, check out healthylifewithkimmi.com and join the challenge. But today we're talking about eating slower and mindful eating, okay? Eating slower and mindful eating. The reason this is so important because I've been told all my life that I eat fast. Just putting it down, right? But I'm working on trying to eat slower, and that's what I want to encourage you to do also. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the people. If you're by yourself, enjoy yourself. Eat a bite, put the fork or spoon down. Let's taste those flavors. What season is that? Is that salt? Is that pepper? And I just saw something, I'm visiting someone, like I said, and they have in their cabinet restaurant pepper. So I'm like, does it taste different than regular pepper? Is it paprika? Is it smoked paprika? Try to get those flavors and taste going in your mouth. So just take your time, enjoy your company, whoever you're with, take time. I've been accused of being on my phone too much, or, she's always working. Well, yeah, I'm working. I work in a digital space. So I'm constantly on my computer, constantly on my laptop, constantly on my phone. That's my job. People don't understand that. It's cool, whatever. That's another story for another day. So all that being said, though, take time to have mindful eating also. What are you putting in your mouth? Why are you putting it in your mouth? I was telling my friend that I'm visiting, I prefer to eat my baked Cheetos as a snack because I feel more satisfied. I talked about this in yesterday's tip. When I have plain potato chips, I just keep eating them. Like Lay's say you can't just eat one. You cannot for some reason. But my baked Cheetos, I don't have to eat the whole bag. I can eat a serving and I'm content. So that's what I want you to think about too today. Think about mindful eating. I want you to think about what you're eating, why you're eating it, and I want you to enjoy the moment. If it's you watching YouTube while you eat, or you listening to a podcast, whatever, take a bite. And I'm going to do this myself today. I'm going to give you the results tomorrow. Take a bite, put the fork or spoon down. Let's think about what we're eating, okay? Because a lot of times that's how mindless eating happens. You get a whole bag of chips. You eat a whole bag in a session and you're like, oh, I ate the whole bag. No, pour a few out. We're going to be mindful. We're going to think about it, okay? So that's today's tip. If you have not signed up, again, check out healthylifewithkimmi.com and sign up for the emails because I will be sending the link out. Just in case you don't get a chance to sign up for it, I will be sending the link out, okay? So until tomorrow, let me know how it's going in the comments. We are day 6 again. And what results are we having out there? Let me know. Tell me something. Am I in this by myself? Right? I'm not. Right? All right, guys. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. And again, today's tip is to eat slower, enjoy the environment, enjoy the ambiance, enjoy the birds if you're outside, enjoy the sun if it's beaming on you, okay? Whatever circumstance you are in, try something and think about something you can enjoy and capture from the moment. All right. Well, until tomorrow, guys. Again, we're on day 6. I'll see you later. Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.